I'm Steve Dorrington, proprietor of Dorrington House. Myself and my wife Lorraine run, and been doing this now since 1979 and looked after something like 19,000 people. We chose solo because one of the problems we have is we're 24 hours. We have to think about energy security, because if we lose electric, it's not like a shop or something else. We have to be 24 hours.
I'm Lawrence. I'm the regional manager for Dorrington House Homes. We've been monitoring the system since it's been installed. Most days we do not use the grid at all. It's purely reliant on the panels and the batteries we have in here. So most days we are not using any energy from the grid, which is great. It's great to see. It's given us peace of mind and reassurance. We've updated our business continuity plan and our contingency plans because of it. We have the batteries now, so if we were to experience a power cut, our residents' welfare is being taken care of. It's also had a big role to play with our CQC compliance. We are now looking at environmental footprint and impact, which this is now ticking that box too. So. Great. The installation process started off very smoothly. It was done in good time. The people that were doing the work were very considerate towards our residents, towards our staff. It went with no hiccups, so no problems.
We do have other homes, and we're looking to do it as and when we can afford to reinvest. Excellent service, all the staff, communication. I would certainly recommend, if I was asked by anyone, recommend Impact.